Team Malcolm.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh no! Oh no!
Why, God? Why we keep giving him fish?
What's going on, everybody? So I'm here. I got Malcolm and Steve. Say what's up, guys.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Guys, you just look so happy to be here. It's a little cold. Just a little bit. We are about to fish the Jordan River. Never fished it in my life. It's a real low tide right now. See if there's any redfish. What are you doing?
Oh, yeah, he's good.
Oh, no, not right now. He said, how deep is it? I thought I was about to go over, everybody. Come out here, see if we catch some redfish, see what's biting. So let's make it happen, right, Malcolm?
Yeah.
Yeah. So y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, please. It helps a lot. And let's get it, y'all.
Hey, Josh, don't look. I'll hook you.
Don't hurt me. Don't hook me. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna be throwing a Drake bait.
How deep?
Oh, look. We're gonna start off with that. See if we can catch a trout or something. So let's see. Oh, didn't go that far because I didn't get my braid wet.
That what you say? Good stuff.
My line. I didn't know I had a fish. I thought it was you the whole time. Oh, I saw that bite. Oh, I got smoked. Dude, they're schooling down there. Them Drake baits, man.
Hey, bro, I love you.
I know.
They school, you know they hit.
They just hitting everything.
Josh can catch fish. They are everywhere.
They're everywhere when Josh can catch fish. Come on, Malcolm, get him in the boat. Get him in the boat, finally. The biggest one of the day so far.
It only took 30 minutes.
I watched Malcolm try to set the hook on a fish like 4 times before he finally got that one.
I'm like, come on, man, don't do this to me, guys. It's too cold.
That's a nice trout. It's a pretty trout. Good job, buddy. You're welcome. Oh my goodness.
It's too cold.
This little baby trout just smoked and, well, maybe not. You just made me think you were giant because I was talking to Steve. Wasn't paying attention. Long-ish, not really. What, 13 inches? 13?
There's rulers everywhere.
I know. I'm too cold to just get up and start moving around like that. All right. Bye, little buddy. What was that? Did you just get smoked, too?
I just shot a fish out the water.
You shot a fish out the water?
I took something with me. I don't know what this is.
Oh my goodness. Got him. Oh, we're doubled up, Malcolm. Doubled up. And don't look at my fish. I snagged my fish and he's tiny. Goodness, they're babies. All right, y'all. So we just switched locations. We're up in the marsh now. Hopefully we'll make something happen.
Slowly trying to re-warm up.
Malcolm's frozen. You got a bass? It's a decent little bass. That's a good bass. A good marsh bass. There you go. You put him in a live well.
Back to the canal. Be released
Right.
closer to the house.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Look at him. That's a good marsh bass. So, is it? It's not. It's a brim. There you go.
I'm gonna go for that inshore slab.
The inshores, yeah. Lord. What kind of brim is that? What kind of
Well, in Florida they call them sunfish.
a sunfish? jeez. Ooh. There we go.
Like a jumping bass.
Yeah, it's a little bass. There you go. Come on, get him in here.
Where were these during that fishing trip?
I know, right? We out here if we were tournament fishing, we'll be doing okay. Oh yeah, they love that. Told Malcolm to go to the front of the boat so we could catch some fish. Waiting on the catching the fish part, Malcolm.
Really?
Yes.
Well, that's all you're waiting for. The line to say
Oh, you're right. Okay, so let's just toss this lure
something.
back.
Oh, yeah.
Another bass. There you go. Malcolm, where's your bass at?
That's bass.
That's,
Oh, he thought he was going to eat that one whole.
yeah, he did. He was ready. That bass was ready. Let me get these pliers for you. You good? Okay, he's good.
Yeah, but the other one's in the other. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but both my thumbs are bleeding.
Oh, they're bleeding? Oh, gosh. Oh, yeah, he got you. Oh, dang. He got you good.
Oh, he didn't get me.
He didn't get you. The lure did. Two more, and we'd be calling some bass.
Oh my God, I did this. I did that.
You got him? Yep. Hooked up. Another bass.
Oh man, there's a big school of them too. There was more than just this one.
It's a nice one. Oh, little fatty right there, bro. That's a good one. Step to your left, Malcolm. Please.
The kids in the neighborhood will be happy.
Yeah, they will. Come on.
I told you I'd catch them.
Yeah, you wasn't lying. He said, I've always caught one on this bank.
I don't know what was sitting in that hole, but it wasn't having
Yeah, they're all decent size.
They're all decent bass. A little decent marsh bass. I like that.
Well, what pounds is that when you was in the tournament, right?
These guys, like, how about one of these?
One of them.
I mean, we could have moved up 15 spots if I found one.
Sure did. Sure did catch your fish. Yes. And got me a bass, son.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir. Steve missed it.
Boo.
Steve missed it, and I just swam this drake bait right through it.
Now I got 4 points and an assist.
I was like, I got this one. This one's mine.
Now that's captaining right there.
You right?
Bring up the fish for the flying.
A whole 12 inches right there, Bo. That's a limit. It's a limit on, a tournament limit. Yeah, that should be 5 right there. We making things happen, y'all. Come on, Malcolm. Get him in the boat.
I saw the flash. Yeah.
What we got here, buddy?
All right.
A little red, you think? Yeah. First red of the day. I got you, buddy.
Nice.
Nice little redfish.
Put them back on over there for me.
Over here.
Over there.
Over. All right, little guy. Bye, buddy. Nice. Nice. Oh, we got a little water on the lens right now. This always makes for a good time. Come on. Oh. Oh. Come on, Steve. Feel good, buddy?
That's pretty good. You think you need a net?
A little red.
That's a keeper. He'll make that 18 next month.
He inhaled it.
Yeah, I was about to say, he'll swallow it.
Might. 0. Yeah, 18.
Head to the canal.
To the canal it goes.
To the canal.
Y'all saw that, right?
We
Got
had a
that
good
hook set
time.
on live, son.
Problem is, I thought I had a weed, and I let it sit there for a second as he ate.
And that's why he swallowed it.
No, you did it. You did it to him.
Roy Temez sent me an eggplant emoji.
What?
So 1, 2. Oh yeah. White trout. Ooh.
Man, we were out on some reefs off Cat Island. We were catching big white trout.
Really? Oh, there's like a speckled trout down there somewhere. Oh. Ooh. We haven't seen one of those in a while. So what's the size on him? What bait is that on? That's on one of those Drake baits too.
Like you might make it
Oh,
14.
maybe 14. 14 incher on the Drake bait.
Like the rest of them. That's a good one.
Yeah, no, healthy trout, really healthy. It's good to see. Yeah,
Too many commands.
too many commands.
That's actually a nice trout, y'all.
I mean,
He,
I mean,
let him go. Put him back in the water. Put him back in the water.
I mean,
He looked bigger in the water.
did he?
I know.
He looked bigger than
He lost about 2 pounds on the way in, okay?
He's a keeper, is he?
He might be about 14 and a half. You break his back and stretch him, you get 16 out of him.
You might.
Try it.
You want to hold the
try it.
camera up a
Measure
little bit?
Measure him up.
All right, let's see what we got here, y'all.
I'm still bigger than yours.
I told you he was 14. Look at there.
Let's go. Look, put his mouth on the 0.
It is on the 0.
It is on the
It's
0.
on the 0. 14 and a half for y'all. It's a big one. Center of this trout's
Remember
mouth.
last time you put a fish in my face?
Yeah, we'll do that to him.
Y'all want to be alone?
All right.
Put him right in front of the lure and see what happens.
Yeah? You want that? You want that? Why don't you put the lure a little closer? You want that, little buddy? You see it? You'll want it? Yeah. Oh, God, he didn't want it.
He got it. He's got it. It worked.
All right. Whoa.
Just shy of.
That's all I did.
It was almost. We haven't caught one keeper trout.
Don't worry, I got you.
Ah, come on, Malcolm.
know,
It
yeah.
looks like a good one. Quit jumping.
Big as the last one.
Shut up.
Malcolm's over here yelling, "Stay down!" Putting them Drake baits to work, ain't you, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
He's over here yelling at this fish. It's probably like
You're
12
trolling him,
inches.
aren't you?
No, I'm casting.
He's casting. Oh, he might actually be a keeper there, buddy.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
That's a good one.
That is not bad, Malcolm.
Hey, you go turn that spot lock on for a minute?
Did you catch them both in the same spot?
Yeah, I've been throwing parallel with this, and like as soon as it hits the water, I've been getting bit.
What the?
I'm sorry, man. I've been waiting until I actually caught something.
Oh, you don't want to say that?
If we wasn't gonna catch that, we gonna keep it moving, baby.
Look, it's in there, son.
Is he gonna make it at least?
Might.
Go in through the gills.
Got it.
I was about to say, go in through the gills and get it out.
Let's see what we got here. 0. Oh, 16. 16. Malcolm got it.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Why, God? Why we keep giving him fish? Why we do this?
We got it.
We got okay.
What are we doing with it?
Put it in the well.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
There's a lot of fish in there.
Put him in the well. He's definitely gonna eat the croaker, but it's okay.
All right. Have fun in there, buddy.
I think you're gonna be late for your movie.
Me.
He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. It was a great time. It was a lot of fun, y'all. So thank you for watching. We're about to dock the boat. I love every single one of you. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we will see you on the next one. Steve, you want to end this? You want to close it out?
Peace.
And then you hit the camera?
Throw his camera in the water.
No, okay. You know what? Malcolm, catch. Did you say something to the camera? They probably want to hear from you. They like you more than they like me.
So it wasn't a bad day. Steve caught everything. Me and Josh, I caught a few. Josh caught 2. He sucks.
I caught trout this morning.
Oh my bad. He did catch some schooling trout. It wasn't all that bad. It was a nice, beautiful day. Actually, it was freezing. It was freezing testes this morning, but other than that, it was good. It was good. Steve, Josh, tell the people good night.
Camera's on the other wrong side. You might want to like aim it toward. There it is. Bye, y'all.